And here we have it. San Jose. Up front we have the bird people. They are native to this region. The only way to communicate with them is like a bird. I will have to trade with them my own feces to get past this area. It is all they will eat. And if I am quiet enough, I may be able to sneak up on them. For they are a very stupid race.
They're playing squash.
I'm caught.
Got you on candid camera now.
As you can see, the treachery is still here. There is a yacht there with someone probably fornicating, no doubt.
Look at
Fornication!